In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a course on Udemy. We all have moments where we sign up for courses, thinking it'll fit into the schedule or align perfectly with our learning goals. But sometimes things don't go exactly as planned. Maybe you've completed the course and you want to tidy up your dashboard, or perhaps it just didn't hit the mark as you'd hoped. Whatever your reason, Udemy doesn't allow you to outright delete courses, but there is an easy way to clean up your view by archiving them. So let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, you're going to want to navigate to the My Learning section of Udemy. This is essentially your course home base, where all the courses you have enrolled in are displayed. You can access this section by logging into your Udemy account and clicking on My Learning at the top of the page. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. It should be readily accessible on the home page once you're logged in. Now, once you've arrived at the My Learning section, you'll see all your enrolled courses laid out in a grid or list format. Find the course that you want to remove from your active view. Be sure to locate the correct course, especially if you have several that you are accessing at once. If you have a long list of courses, you might find it helpful to use the search feature or simply scroll through until you find the course you're looking to manage. Upon finding your course, take a look at the course card displayed. On each course card, you'll notice that there's a small menu icon, often represented by 3 vertical dots. You might hear it referred to as a More Options menu or an ellipsis. This is commonly used across many platforms to indicate that additional options are available. Click on this 3-dot menu. It feels like a gauge for control because from here you can decide how you want to manage each course individually. Inside this menu, you'll find several options. What you're looking for is the function that allows you to tidy up your view without deleting the course entirely, the Archive option. Click on Archive. This will send the selected course to your archived section, effectively removing it from your main dashboard view. It's important to note that archiving a course doesn't delete it from your account, nor does it erase your progress. You can always unarchive if you change your mind and want to bring the course back to visibility. And that's it. It's as simple as pie. Archiving is a handy tool to keep your Udemy dashboard neat and organized without the worry of losing access to content you might need in the future. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and feel more confident managing your online courses. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.